Welcome to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we will cover the installation of the System One Work Winches. Slide a washer onto the winch shaft, then the PVC bearing. Now slide the assembly halfway into the hole on the gusset. Insert the clevis pin in the pawl and mount it to the gusset in the small hole above the winch. Slide the winch in fully. Add a washer to the winch shaft, then insert the cotter pin. Bend the cotter pin slightly. Attach the handle and insert the gold linch pin. Insert about 6 inches of strap into the winch. Release the pawl and roll the strap up. To use the winch, release the pawl and pull the strap to your desired length. Secure the hook to System One's AK6 cargo anchor, an optional accessory. Use the handle to tighten the strap. Thanks for watching the System One Work Winch installation video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 800-272-5362 or visit us online at rackwarehouse.com. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.